Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet simple project that you can use everywhere. For this one I will use a ball of yarn and a crochet hook 4mm or 4.5mm. Please join me and let's get started crocheting, and you will see how to crochet it easily. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 17. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. My foundation chain is ready. So pattern consists of only one row and has one stitch. So let's crochet the first row. Make a chain. This chain for transition. Make single crochet into the first stitch. Insert the hook into this single crochet that I did before, and insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Then insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and pull through all loops on the hook. Continue, insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. So you should make such kind of stitches till the end of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete my first row together. I continue working on my band. Insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the chain stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. My round is ready. My row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. So make the chain. It will be for transition. Turn the work. So I'm going to work only with back loops in this row and in the next rows. So please be careful. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make single crochet. Continue working with back loops. Insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the next back loop, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. As you can see, this is not difficult to make, and it could be perfect even beginners or for a person who doesn't have a lot of experience in crocheting. Let's complete row 2 together. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the back loop of the stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, turn the work, and work with back loops. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the back loop of the second stitch, make single crochet and work in the same way as I did in the previous time. This pattern could be perfect for the brim part of the head or for snood, scarf, and another accessories for winter time. Pattern consists of only one row and has one stitch. So my headband is almost ready, but I still need to continue. Let's look at this piece. There is double-sided one, so you can use both sides as a result. It depends of your mood. or your style. And as I told you before, you can use this pattern for any product. It could be like a belt for cardigan or perfect for scarf, for the brim part of the head, and another accessories. At this point, I will show you how to join two pieces together. You can use sewing needle and yarn to sew two pieces together. In my case, I will use crochet hook. So the both ways could be perfect for joining points. I remind you, it is not difficult to make. I remind you, this is not difficult project, so you don't need spend a lot of time. I think it could be project for 30 minutes or less. It depends of how fast you will crochet. And now I show you how to join two edges together. Let's start. I put their backs together. As I told you before, I will use crochet hook to join two edges together, but you can take sewing needle. As you can see, the beginning of the headband is closer to me. This is the beginning of the work. To start the joining, make a chain, pull a little bit, insert the hook into the stitch, and insert the hook into the second stitch, like this. Make a slip stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's stop and look what I have done. Here how it looks. So that's it. My band is almost done. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off the yarn. I pull my chain, so I need to remove the yarn along the stitches. I will do this from the both sides. So that's it, my simple project is ready. Here how it looks. For this project you just need to know how to make simple stitches. For this one I used a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. You can use this pattern to create band, bracelet, or belt for cardigan or another clothes. Also, it could be perfect to create the brim part of the head. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Please don't forget to write comment below each video tutorial where you will use it. See you next time. Bye.